Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is the first video of our new course which is called Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. In this course, we are going to learn about formulas which we use in our day-to-day lives and how we can do them into the MS Excel. How to open the web version of MS Excel, which is our today's topic, and we will also learn about the various functions in Microsoft Excel. So without any further delay, let's begin. So here we are with our web version of MS Excel, that is Microsoft Excel. How to open this? To open this, you can just search on Google about the online Microsoft Excel. You will see different links. Use the genuine link of Microsoft. Sign in to your Microsoft account and use the web version. Or else you can simply go to your computer's Microsoft Excel, which comes previously installed. Let us learn about formulas. Formulas are equations that perform calculations on values in a worksheet. A formula should always start with an equal sign, which is this, as you all must know. We select the cell and type like this. This is the beginning of a formula. When space is given before the sign, it will be taken as a text rather than a formula, and no calculations can be performed using it. As soon as a valid formula is input, the cell contents are replaced with the result of a formula. The formula is made up of simple constants or numbers, cell reference and address, or relative reference in combination with various operators. Let us make a formula and learn the use of it. Now, suppose you have a list of things to buy at a supermarket. How will you calculate how much money to take to the supermarket? You have a list over here. This is our data sheet. Now let us see how we can calculate in Excel. Before we calculate, we need to understand one thing, that is a simple formula and a basic formula. So, if I say 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8, that is a simple formula because we are using only one operator. Now suppose I say 2 into 4, that is 8, minus 5. This will be a compound formula. These are the two types of formulas really used in our day-to-day lives. Let us see how we can calculate this. Should we use a compound or a simple formula? We should use a simple formula since we need to calculate the payable amount. That is the amount we need to pay. We will calculate this using the equal to sign. Then we will write that is I5, and our operator, that is here and a here. And then we will press enter, which is 150. Now let us calculate ourselves. Is 50 into 3 150? Yes, it is. In the next video, we are going to use the discount column also. Let us now drag this formula to the bottom. This is a simple plus hand arrow, which we call it. And here is a plus that we use to drag it down, drag a formula down, or select cells. See? So let us learn what we wrote in the first place. We wrote is equal to and then selected the data cell, and then we used our operator and selected the second data cell. Let us see if this is all correct. Yes, it is correct. So now that we know what is a compound and a simple formula, let us learn about another formula that we use to add a range of cells, and how to use sheets, and how to extract data from the sheets. So suppose over here I have another column. Let us make a different data sheet for this one. 40, 65 and 82. Let us add another one, 78. Now, can you add all of them? No, probably not so quickly. You can use a calculator, but instead, let us use a formula to do this. Sum is the formula for this one. We type is equal to sum, and then we type the cell address. 04, that is 04, and then a colon, which is this. And then we use the R4, which specifies our string, our row, our range that we need to sum. And now we complete the bracket and enter. See, 265. Now calculate yourself and see if this is working right. Yes, this is right. Indeed. Now let us learn about the second thing. Extracting data from our sheets and how to use them. Here you can see at the bottom of the page, here you can see that there are sheets, and there is a new sheet option. So we will click on that to extract data from different sheets into one sheet. Let us add another sheet and another one. Because there is only one sheet in the default web version of Microsoft Excel. Now let us extract data in this cell D5, which is from a cell of sheet 4. You may say, if you are new, this is impossible. But we can even perform operations on it. Suppose E7, this cell E7 has a data 234, a number. Now we will use a formula to do this. To do this is the formula. Quickly write is equal to sheet and whatever sheet it is. So our sheet 4 it is. Then an exclamation mark and then the cell name. That is in this case E7. See, 234 is the data in sheet 4's E7 cell. Isn't it like magic? So everyone, thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. That's all for now. In the next video, we are going to learn about cell referencing and types of it and using a compound formula. We are also going to complete the discount part which we did not complete in this video. So do watch the next video. Link in description. And before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on my latest videos. See you.